Imagine a single unit that keeps you cool in the summer and warm in the winter without missing a beat. Introducing the Amana Distinctions 14,700 BTU PTAC unit with heat pump and 5 kilowatt electric heat backup. With 14,700 BTUs of cooling and 13,500 BTUs of heating, this unit is perfect for spaces up to 500 square feet. Featuring a 10.6 EER rating, it ensures energy-efficient operation, saving you money while keeping you comfortable. Designed for easy installation, it includes a 30-amp power cord and requires a 30-amp circuit for optimal performance. Whether it's the heat of summer or the chill of winter, the Amana Distinctions PTAC unit has you covered. Don't miss out on year-round comfort. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And for more details or to make a purchase, visit the link in the description.